Hello everyone, this is third part of the chapter, The Open Window. Stages in the Hedgehog retreat, a cyclist along on the road had to run into the hedge to avoid imminent collision. So as Mr. Nuttall is trying to escape, trying to run from the house of Mrs. Sampton, he did not pay attention that a cyclist was coming toward his way. And it was nearly escape that he just saved himself by bump into a cyclist. Here we are, my dear, said the wearer, the white Macintosh coming through the window, fairly muddy, most of it dry. Who was that who bolted out as we came up? So here, husband of Mrs. Sampton and brothers came into the house. Their clothes are completely dirty, completely full of mud, and mud is mostly area is dried. And the husband of Mrs. Sampton asked, "Who is this person who just ran away as we entered in the house?" Most extraordinary man, Mr. Nuttall, who talked. Mr. Nuttall said Mrs. Sampton could only talk about his illness and death job without a word of goodbye or apology, like a prison on run. One would think he has seen a ghost, as Mrs. Sampton and her husband is completely unaware what Vera has made with Mr. Frampton Nuttall. So she said that I don't know this kind of person he is. He is just completely strange. He only talk about himself, his disease and his illness. He did not talk about anything else. Now see, he has run from the house like he has seen a ghost. Here they are talking like this about Mr. Frampton Nuttall because they are completely unaware about Vera, what Vera has done with him. Because Vera told a false story to him about death of Mrs. Sampton husband and brother. I expect it is a spaniel, said niece calmly. He told me that he had a horror of dog. He was once hunted into a cemetery somewhere on the bank of Ganges by the pack of Farrier's dog and had to spend the whole night in the newly dug grave with the creature snarling, growling and foaming just above him. So here Vera just tried to handle the situation. She said that I think he just ran away because he had the fear of dog. As he told me also that once he got attacked by a dog and he had to spend his whole night in the grave, newly dug grave. And there were many creatures, many insects were crawling, they were creaming on the body of Mr. Nuttall. And I think this is enough to make a person scared of dogs. So she said like this for handling a situation. At last, romance at short notice was her specialty. So here, the means of this line is that youngster, like Vera, sometimes they used to play prank on others. But pranks are good, means you can say healthy pranks are good. But if pranks are going beyond the person limit, it can be harmful. So we should prank on other person according to the situation, according to the person ability. So thank you everyone. I hope this video will be helpful for making you understand this chapter. Thank you.